Hello friends, hi to everyone. Today I'm here creating to one video about the copyright claim, how you can monetize your video. So friends, myself Padam, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going here to you explain about the copyright claim videos, how you will be monetized in on your YouTube channel. So friends, let's start video. First you have to open this your YouTube channel, then you have to go to the YouTube studio. After you have to select here your videos. See friends, these videos are already monetized, but some videos are not monetized for my. So I wanna go to the monetized it, then I want to show also you. That is why I'm creating this video for you, how you will be manage these videos. Suppose this video and another videos also. Suppose I want to take this video, so this one showing see red dollar and here showing to the ineligible copyrights claim. This videos was found to the contain copyright materials, as a result cannot be monetized by this uploader. So I want to the monetize this video. So how I monetized it or what I'm doing here, please friends, watch my video, continue, don't skip, otherwise you also confused for that, you can't understand. So what I'm doing here, select these videos, select here, then you have to go to video editor. Here is the editor. After you have to see here comments, subtitles and monetizations, like this option. Here is the option here, and then what you will do, go here, check this music icon, tap this icon and tap this plus audio. After from here you have to select the any song. This is the non-copyrightable songs are. These songs are non-copyrightable. So you have to select any songs, whatever your video cap here, how long your video limit. So under 10 you can select here song, and if your video is the long above the 20, above the 25 and 30 minutes, you have to select here the long songs. How you select these long songs, that also I want to explain to you. Go to here direct duration and click here the more than 5 minutes videos. So video songs here, these are the audio songs more than 5 minutes, this 9 minutes, 10 minutes, 17 minutes, like this you have to select it. here coming like that. For me now I want to the under 9 minutes. Select one under 9 minutes. This is one 9 minute. Just add this. Add and here do the shape. See this one is the processing now. Do again shape. Friends, this is the issue for the include one Bollywood songs for these videos. So YouTube is can't acceptable for this video for the monetized. So that is why YouTube saying can't monetize this one copyright contents. So I have to change these songs and select the free songs from the free copyright songs from the YouTube browser. So after you have to save this, then these songs will be replacing automatically. Then you have to on this monetize, then your videos is already monetized. So this is the process. Then see here processing these songs is replacing. Here see as showing also this video is being processed, please check back later. So I will show you this process is completely until not monetized. Then check here, go to your monetized option. You have to on this monetized, tap the done and do the save. Now this all is not showing, this one all empty box here. Ads over overlay ads, see now selected already, here also green already. So it means monetize this video. So I want to show you this video list also. which one video for me less than 9 minute, that one video. I will check this which video. Next slide. I'm going to the showing you. Where is that video I want to find? This one. See, less than 8.4 minute this limit. Before showing this one is red or not, and now see already this on. Or copyright also see none. So friend, this is the process for copyright claim videos, how you do the monetizing on your channel. This one you can do only for the this song copyright videos, friends. Otherwise is video copyright is can't possible for this. Only song copyrights you can select this change option, and then you can replace the, you can replace here this non-copyright songs from the YouTube. So friends, thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Friends, subscribe my channel, like and comments. So see you next update. Thank you.